In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a statement through Xero in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing multiple clients, sending statements is an integral part of maintaining a healthy cash flow and clear communication with your customers. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that your financial relations are kept transparent and up to date. First things first, you'll need to make your way to Xero's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Xero's web address. This is where your journey begins. Upon your arrival at the site's homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and features provided by Xero. However, our focus today is to guide you through the process of sending a statement, so let's navigate straight to the login section. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the login button. A single click here will proceed to the next essential step. As you might expect, like any secure platform, Xero asks for your credentials to ensure it's really you. So go ahead and enter your email and password into the appropriate fields. Your privacy and security are paramount, so take your time to make sure you enter your details correctly. After your credentials are entered, hit the login button to access your dashboard. The world of Xero now opens up to you, but remember, we're here to send a statement. So our next move is to find and select the Contacts tab. You can do this by navigating through your Xero dashboard or simply by following the provided link, which will take you there directly. Within the Contacts section, there's a specific area we need labeled Customers. Click on this to proceed. You'll be welcomed by an interface where you can view all the customers with whom you do business. To find the specific functionality for sending statements, look for the 3 dot symbol, often referred to as the More Options menu, next to the customer you're focusing on. Clicking on these 3 dots reveals several options, but your destination here is the Send Statements button. Give that a click and you'll move on to the next crucial step in this process. Now it's time to select your recipients. If you're intending to send the statement to just one customer, simply check the box next to their name. However, Xero also gives you the flexibility to send statements to multiple customers at once. So if you need to send out a batch, just check the boxes next to all relevant names. Once you've selected the customers who are to receive the statements, look for and press the Update button. This action prompts Xero to refresh the page with your specified selections, ensuring that the next steps are tailored to your needs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully navigated through Xero to send a statement or statements to your customers. This not only helps in maintaining an organized record of transactions, but also aids in ensuring transparency and trust between your business and its clients. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips to enhance your experience. Make sure to double check the customer details before sending statements to avoid any confusion or miscommunication. Also, consider taking advantage of Xero's recurring statements feature for regular clients to save time and automate part of your bookkeeping tasks. Thank you for tuning into this quick guide on sending statements through Xero. We hope this video makes your financial management a breeze and helps keep your business operations smooth. Stay organized and see you in the next tutorial.